Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with the ISTON 36-piece professional manicure pedicure kit. This innovative tool is designed to elevate your at-home nail care routine. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or just looking to maintain your nails, this kit has something for everyone. Let's explore what makes this product a must-have. The ISTON 36-piece professional manicure pedicure kit is a game-changer for nail care. This kit includes 11 high-quality stainless steel bits made from durable sapphire and felt. Unlike plastic alternatives, these bits are designed for longevity and effectiveness. They can easily grind, file, shape, and polish nails, making them perfect for both hands and feet. Additionally, the kit comes with 20 sanding bands, ideal for smoothing corns and calluses. One of the standout features of this electric nail file is its 4 adjustable speed settings. With speeds ranging from 5,000 to 20,000 RPM, users can customize their experience. This versatility allows for precise nail grinding without the risk of damage. The forward and reverse direction options further enhance usability, making it suitable for all nail types. Portability is another key aspect of the ISTON kit. It's lightweight and cordless, providing up to 18 hours of use on a single charge. The built-in LED light ensures visibility during use, allowing for a flawless finish. Whether at home or on the go, this tool is designed for convenience. The kit also includes a USB charging cable, making it compatible with various power sources. You can charge it using a power bank, laptop, or even a car charger. This flexibility means you can maintain your nails anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, the ISTON 36-piece professional manicure pedicure kit is an excellent investment for anyone serious about nail care. With its high-quality materials, adjustable speeds, and portability, it offers salon-quality results at home. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product insights. Have you tried the ISTON manicure kit? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, great nails are just a kit away. Happy pampering!